This front-loading, Wi-Fi-ready smart dryer by LG has a loading capacity of 7.4 cubic feet and is available in gas or electric. It has a lint filter that's located inside at the front of the unit and a door that can be hinged left or right. It comes with 12 preset dry cycles. 9 have the ability to add steam. As you select different cycles, you'll notice the estimated time, temperature, and dryness levels will change. This is to ensure optimum results for each selection. You also have the option to change some of the preset cycles, and doing so could affect the dry times. It has 12 additional options, including static reduce, energy saver, and wrinkle care. A highly recommended accessory is the 14-inch pedestal that doubles as a storage drawer. This raises your dryer to a comfortable loading height if it's not being stacked.